My name is Charles Issa, President and Chief Operating Officer of Health Benefits Direct Corporation. We sell individual major medical insurance and life insurance directly to the consumer in a call center environment.
Interactive intelligence is pushing the phone calls to them, which relieves them having to dial the phone. So every single day they're pushed 100, 150, 200 phone calls, and in doing that they become the top closers of the industry.
We have a total of 267 employees. I've been working with interactive intelligence for almost the last 10 years, 9 to 10 years. I've been involved in about 4 acquisitions of the interactive intelligence software. At this time I say it best is I bought it with my own money. That's how much I believed in it. I don't really deal with interactive directly as much as I deal with our partner, and most of the interaction I have is with Sue Hudson from Adapt.
Adapt Telephony Services is one of the largest resellers, or VARs, value-added resellers, for interactive intelligence in North America. We've implemented over 300 systems. In my opinion, it's a huge critical aspect of what's needed for a business is actually to have great technology like interactive intelligence, but to also have a company like Adapt that really can understand the customer's business needs and requirements and help them create a vision for how they actually want to use the system within their company. When we found interactive intelligence was that it could just solve these business problems so much better than the separate architecture application approach. And so understanding from all the different applications that we've installed over the years with our different customers, as well as then working with these customers, we understand some business requirements, some things about their business, but every business is unique as to how they function and how they want to use the system, and being able to adapt is really kind of one of our core strengths.
On Interactive Client, I'm able to see how many phone calls that they're taking each and every single hour, how many closes they get every single hour. And what it does, it can also alert me when somebody is not up to the closing ratios. So if somebody is below 10%, I get an alert on my desktop to run over here and see what's going on.
The flexibility and customization of it. It allows us to do whatever we want to do with this system. And we take full advantage of that by building unique and custom features into the software. So we've customized interactive intelligence to be able to ingest a lead where somebody ran a quote on our website. So from the time somebody goes on our website and makes a request to receive a quote, within 30 seconds they're on the phone with a licensed agent in our call center. And we call that our quick-to-call technology. And it was proprietary. We developed it here at Health Benefits Direct. We built a custom dashboard. My partners and I have to stare at these numbers all day, and we wanted to make it a little bit more interesting to look at instead of just raw numbers on a screen. So we customized the dashboards to match the insides of our cars. And where the fuel gauge is, we'll put the number of leads left to dial. For the speedometer, it'll tell where our sales are for the day. So, it was very easy to customize and pull that data out of the dialer and be able to view it in a way that keeps everybody interested and makes it more fun in the workplace. So.
As you see, everybody in the call center is always busy. Everyone's always busy. They're always on the phone, the screen's always popping. So, when they're on here, we really determine their closing ratio by, the amount of hours they're on the phone too, which normal dialing systems, it doesn't time anybody for phone time. With interactive intelligence, basically, I can see how many hours they're on the phone compared to how many leads that they're taking, find out the closing ratio. So I would say from a sales manager standpoint, it's one of the most effective systems out there.
See, we got like these custom buttons put in here, right? So I can pull up the agent board. So when I click on that, it tells me real time what agent has produced what for the day. So I can see, I think we're gonna go walk around and look at our sales floor. You're gonna see and hear a buzz and an energy on that floor that is directly attributed to the interactive intelligence dialing application. If we were to take that out of the equation, we would have agents flipping through paper, manually dialing the phone, or clicking on the screen through leads and trying to manually dial those. And I don't believe that you would get the efficiency and or the energy level that we have in this call center. And that energy is contagious. So when you walk in, you feel that energy, you feel that buzz going on, and it just promotes a healthy, happy work environment.